What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. And guess what? We got ourselves another build. It's getting a little wild and crazy over here at Rednectified Rebuilds at the moment. So we picked us up a 2011 Chrysler Town & Country with 119,000 miles. Let's check it out real quick. So here it is. It's beautiful today. Sorry about the shadow. The weather is fantastic. The hood's just propped open right now, but you can see we got some front end damage down here. The bumper and that's busted up. There is some damage to the AC condenser inside there. I don't know if we can really, I can't really see it in there, but hopefully the fog lights are good. We already got a new bumper on the way though, so those should be here in a few days, and it's even paint matched already. Needs a good cleaning. You can see there's like grease spots or something all over it. I don't know if that was a tow truck driver or what the heck was going on there. 119,000 miles. Other than that, the only other spot that I have to worry about, which will be an easy fix, is right here. You can see the rear bumper. So we're going to go ahead and pop the rear bumper off. We'll heat this up and work this crease out of here, this dent. Hopefully it comes out pretty good. Obviously this is pretty, that's pretty deep, I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh. It's kind of deep, but that's alright. Better than replacing the whole bumper. Taillight's good and everything. Trunk. Little dent and scratch on this side. Ain't no big thing. It is a 2011, so not like it's a brand new van. Other than that, like I said, this thing is, it's nice. We are getting the bumper replaced. Hood's good, grill's good. There is some, my wife's got this same van, and hers is starting to get a little bit of rust too. I don't know if you guys can't really see it in the video. Oh, there it is. Got a little bit of surface rust on the edge right here. It's under the paint. And there's some on one of the fenders I noticed. I don't remember which one. But overall, this should be a pretty good build. Like I said, we'll pop the dent out in the rear. We'll take care of this front right here. Get it cleaned up real good. It does have a clean title, so I'll have to go and get the title cleaned up. Or I should say put in my name anyways. And inside just really needs to be detailed. It's not bad at all. Needs to be cleaned up a little bit. They got this grease, like, sorry about the camera guys. They got this grease like everywhere. I have no idea what it is. It's all over the steering wheel and everything. So super bright out today. Does have the store and go seat, so the seats go into the floor there, like that one is. There is no DVD entertainment center up here, which kind of sucks a little bit, but you know, it's just a regular compartment. But hey, that's all right. I'm not complaining. It's pretty good deal we got here. Alright guys, so that's all we're going to do for this video. I just wanted to go ahead and show you the Chrysler real quick. We will probably get started on this today. Landon said he wants to help me out, so I'm going to have him remove the rear bumper and the front bumper so I could make sure there's no other damage up there in the front. So he'll get started on that. I got a few other things I got to work on today. So I'm going to keep this video short and just put this out there. That way everybody kind of knows what's going on. I think that's really about it. I'm glad it's nice. It's supposed to be nice the next few days. So hopefully I get on this and another vehicle that we're in the process of building. And I think that's it. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, you know, all that good stuff. Thank you for following me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, whatever. wherever I'm at and you guys follow, I appreciate it. So until next time, make sure your neck stays red and your collar stays blue. Yeah.